Sutro has pioneered the development of cell-free protein synthesis to allow us to actually produce under GMP conditions in our manufacturing facility in San Carlos, California. The advantages of cell-free are many. One of the most striking things about the utilization of our technology is that we make every molecule to be identical. There is a homogeneity to the product profile that we create that is unknown in the antibody-drug conjugate field.
If we select the best sites for conjugation, the efficiency of killing of that tumor is better than if you don't have such precise control. And that's really evidenced by clinical data where we're seeing that we can address patients that have lower levels of this particular protein on the surface. So because we're more efficient, we can actually treat a broader group of ovarian cancer patients than has been done by mechanisms of this sort in the past. The other aspect of our technology means it's also much more tolerable generally than existing ADCs in this field.
At Sutro, we have the opportunity to bring great people and great science together to make an incredible impact on patients' lives. Sutro's scientific platform and technology is completely innovative. It is looking to reimagine scientific discovery and research. We're looking to think outside of the box or outside of the cell, if you will, in terms of our cell-free platform. But it allows us to get very precise in terms of making precise engineering chemistry happen. Hopefully it can translate into really meaningful benefit for cancer patients.